everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Sunday Funday challenge, which is hosted by Deco and her co-host is Ginger Chick Rehab. And it's about having fun on Sunday. So I decided I was going to have fun, and if things don't work, they're going to be even more funny, because I have no idea if this is going to work. I'm planning on my fall decor, and I want to make some different pumpkins. So I have a general idea of what I want and the elements I'm going to use, but I have no idea if they are going to end up looking as I want them to look. So please play with me, and if it doesn't work, let's laugh together. Okay. First, I bought at Dollar Tree these rolls of twine, and I show you in another video a few days ago. This is the first pumpkin that I made with those rolls. I just used this green twine that I bought a couple of years ago at, I think it was at Target, and I added all around, and then I use these stems, these wood stems from Dollar Tree. At the bottom I cut out a little bit of cardboard to adhere it, to keep all these pieces of twine in place. And this is my first attempt, and I really like how it looks. It's a very different pumpkin, not pumpkin. It's not the king of pumpkins. And it's easy, it's quick, inexpensive, and original. I was not looking for something, I was not thinking of a price. I was thinking of something different. And I think this is different. So well, I have this other one. And I thought I have these pieces of raffia. Raffia is really hard to work with. Let me put my protectors on. So I'll do my best, and let's see if it works. So let's start by adding some hot glue here and there, and let's see. Yes, raffia is really tough, but well, we have to try. Okay, let's go around, and I need my scissors. Here they are. So I'm going to glue the other extreme here. Another one. Oh, doesn't want to stay in place. Please behave, don't ruin my video. Anyway, I'm going to add more hot glue just in case. Now I'm going to go with this one. Let's see how it works. So I'm going to go around with all the pieces. Well, raffia was hard to work with. Anyways, once I place the center, the stem, it's going to keep everything in place. So I really like how it looks. Of course, I'm also going to glue a piece of cardboard, circle of cardboard here. But I don't want to make this video really long, so I'm going to show you what I plan for each pumpkin. I'm going to do that out of camera, and then I'll be back and show you the final result. So for this one, I want to use this kind of buffalo check ribbon. I think it's going to look really, really good. You see? I think it's perfect for this white twine. So that's what I'm going to do with this one. For this big one, I plan on using this mop from Dollar Tree. It's really easy to remove the pieces. So you just pull, and this is what I'm intending to do. So let's see how it works. And for this one, I have this beautiful velvet one. I plan on using this twine that's it's really thin, and I think it's great because this is so elegant that I don't want to use something too rustic, or I don't know. So I'm going to add this twine all around this pumpkin. So I'll be back once I'm done, and I'll show you how everything works. Fingers crossed, everything will look perfect. So I'll be back in a moment. Okay, I am back with my finished pumpkins. Let me tell you, it was a lot of fun, and it was a lot of pain also. It was a lot of fun because creating is always fun for me. But let me give you an advice. Never ever buy this glue gun. This is a dual one, and I have it on low, and even through my silicone fingers I can feel the heat, something that never happened to me before with other glue guns. And I burnt my hand. I don't know if you can see the blister. I burnt this finger. I haven't been able to remove all the glue from the finger, and when the drop fell on my finger, it was something that I didn't even think. I took it to my mouth to try to remove the glue. Of course, it was really hot, and I burned my lips. I have both my lips on the right side corner burnt, really burnt. Believe me, I'm at this moment in a lot of pain. So maybe you have one, it works for you, it's okay. For me, it doesn't work. I can't even touch it because if I touch it here, it's hot. On this side, it's hot. It never happened to me. I have had like 5 or 6 glue guns before, never happened to me, and it's in low. So I have to get a new one soon. I miss the one that broke last week, and it doesn't work anymore, so I rescued this. I had this and I stopped using it. I don't remember why, like 5 years ago. I don't think it was because I burned my fingers or my hand. I don't know. I think that I stopped using it because I got another one that I like more because of the color. Red is not one of my favorite colors. I love purple, blue, pink. But I haven't used it. I think I used it 2 or 3 times. And I started using it this past week. And I started feeling that my protectors weren't protecting me at all. And today, this is too much. I'm in a lot of pain. And my lips, I'm putting cold water all the time because I can't stand the pain, and I need to remove the remaining glue, and I can't. But well, show must go on. So I really like how my pumpkins look. I think this needs something else, but honestly I wanted to finish. I wanted to end this. So I probably will add some more raffia here. And I like this one. I think this is so cute. So cute, so cute. They are so easy to make. Believe me, they are so easy. And it's something that nobody has. So it's something you have, and it's original. You can buy it at the store. Using the mop was a great idea. It was really easy. So I really like it. Gives the pumpkin kind of light because it's dark. Raffia was hard to work with, as you saw it, but once I finished, I'm happy. It was not that hard, and the stem, I think, matches perfectly. And this one, I had this leaf that was from another pumpkin from Dollar Tree, and I use it to hide the hot glue that I added here to keep the pieces of twine in place. And I think it looks really cute, really elegant and different instead of being all white. So I hope you like these pumpkins too. I have to now start thinking where I'm going to place them. Let me tell you that I'm leaving in the description box the links to the hostesses' channels. Thank you to both of them for hosting this challenge. Please visit their channels. You are not going to regret it, believe me. And also watch all the videos in the playlist that will be linked there also. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you do all that, I will feel much better. You will help me. And as I always say, your dreams will come true. Okay, so I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.